Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about different gold carat and different color of gold. So gold is actually 24K gold. It is 99.9% pure gold and is always yellow gold. So when we go ahead and we're going to go anything lower than 24 karat, then we have 22K, which is 91.6% gold. The difference between any of the gold, as we go to a lower carat of a gold, the stronger they are, the less purity they have. And what happens with any of them, the scratch properly goes less and less. So what we have in here, as I said, we have a 24K. Then for a 22K, we have 91.6% of it being gold, which is less than 999. So for 18K is 75% of it is gold, and for 14K, 58.3% of it is gold. For 10K is 41.7. As you can see over here, the amount of gold in here is total, and then it gets less and less. So this is the pure gold, and the rest is going to be the impurity that goes into it. So whenever you want to check your jewelry to see what carat of gold it is, take a look. And if it doesn't say these numbers, which is 24K, 22K, 18K, then look at these numbers. If they have 583, then you know right away is a 14K. Now 9K is never made in any country, as long as I know, except England. Maybe in other ones, but I don't know about it. And people don't make 24K jewelry because it would bend right away. So there is no point of having a 24K jewelry. Then for the 22K is mostly made for very luxury jewelry, and in India is very common. It doesn't matter what carat of a gold you have. If you plate it with any of the one that is a higher carat, then they're going to be yellower. So even if, let's say, you have a 14K and you end up plating it with a 22K, then it's going to look like this, but that doesn't mean it's 22K. If it's been stamped any of these guys, then you know it's a 14 karat, you know it's a 10 karat. Now 10 karat is very popular because it's very strong and scratch resistant, so you can wear it every day. Now for all the carats that you have, you can also have different color of gold. For the gold, there will be always 24K, as I said, is always yellow gold. To make it any other carat, you still have to have impurity on it. So if I'm going to go to, let's say, 14K, 41.7% of it is going to be a real gold, and then we're going to have other stuff added to make it to 999. To the rest of it, which is going to be mostly copper or silver or other metal, added to pure gold to make it a yellow gold. Now for the white gold is the same thing. So you can have any carat of a gold for a white gold as well, but I won't recommend for any of the 22 or 20, well, you won't be able to get 24K any other carat, but 22K and 18K, maybe don't consider white gold because it will go back to yellow gold over time. So you have to make sure with the white gold you rhodium plate it, and the composition of it is nickel or silver added to the metal to make it a white gold. Now for a rose gold, we have a pinkish and reddish hue, and then that is going to be added to it. Copper is what makes it basically reddish. A lot of time people think that you can have one color on your jewelry, and that's not true. You can have a yellow gold, you can have a white gold, but you can also have all three of them or two of them in one. So over here I have a ring that is a yellow gold for one of them. The middle part is a white gold and the last one is a reddish gold. So rose gold is quite popular with people who wants to show romance. And then same thing with this pair of earring. As you can see, we have the white, yellow, and rose gold. Beside all of this, we also have pink and green gold, just so you know. There is other composition that goes into it to make it to those color. So the color of a gold is not as important as the carat. No matter what color of a gold you have, the carat of it is what the value of it is gonna be. So you can choose and have any color of gold that you want, a rose, white, or yellow, but the same thing would be basically, if it's 14K, they are the same, not the same value, because it takes longer to make some of them and not, but the weight of it, the number that is going to be on it is going to be the same. So I'm going to have 417 or 10K for a 10 carat white gold, and then I'm going to have it for a yellow gold. Usually there isn't much of a difference in a price, but the purity of gold in it is going to be the same. So hopefully this helped you with all of the color and the carat of the gold. Don't forget to give a thumb up and follow us in all of our social media, and have a wonderful day.